now it's recorded. We'll start now. Is it my screen is visible now? R software.
Yes, sir.
We'll start now. R is work like a calculator, right? So for example, if you want to type 1 plus 6, enter, you'll get answer. Okay. 10 minus 5, you'll get. This second calculator is more than the calculator. Okay. So any simple calculation you can type it. Okay. So apart from this work like a calculator, there are other functions are there. There are a lot of functions are available to do it. Okay. Okay, I'll take this after the class. Okay. So now, for example, some of the functions are there. Okay. So R work with functions. Functions also we can do it. Function mean it's a for example, Excel also use function, right? Calculating the simple rate of return. Okay, there are also some functions will be there. So Excel also built based on lot of function. For example, there is a function called SQRT. What is SQRT? Anybody? What is the name of this SQRT?
Square root.
Okay. So after the function, yeah. Okay. After the function, SQRT is then so open bracket 2. You also parallelly do that. Enter. So we'll square root of 2. So we are not using the square root that symbols everything. Okay. Like mathematically we are not writing. We are writing a square root. That is called which one? Function. Function is nothing but R understandable language. Please write down. Function is R understandable language. Okay. So this is the function. If you, for example, ABS. What is ABS? Absolute value. Okay. So absolute value means everything negative convert into positive value. This is also a function. Sometimes there are lakhs of functions are there in Excel. Suddenly you don't know what is the functions are mean. Just you have to put the comma followed by that function. Okay. If you put and enter, automatically it will tell you what is the meaning of that function. It will open one window and show the description. Okay. For what is the function. Okay. So that's what we have to check it. Okay. Just I'll show you. Yeah, server. It will open the server and tell you the function. So if any problem in this, you just put it in the Google, you'll get the details. I'll share the window now. 1 minute. Not our window, another window. See here? Are able to see my window now? SQRT. So all the function details will get it. Okay, what you have to do? Just you have to put question mark symbol followed by the function and enter. You get the detail of that function. Still, you are not able to find out what is the function for simple interest rate or no calculating something. You can just Google it in the Google. You will get the detail of the function. Okay. Now I'll come to the R window. Okay. Listen everybody, 2 point you have to understand now. So for R work like a calculator, whatever R calculator we can do, same thing and do it in R software. Second part is R work based on the function. There are lakhs of functions are there. We have learned 2 functions. One is called square root, another one is called absolute. Okay. So if you want to know other function, just Google it, or you can type the function name and what this question mark. If you enter, you'll get the detail of the function. Okay. This is the 2 point you have to learn. And third one is variables. Okay. For example, you have to save the function. For example, square root. Sir, I don't want a square root or SQRT. I want only S or SR. Okay, but R and square root mean R understand which one? SQRT only. All should be small letter. I don't want SQRT. I want something else. Okay, maybe I want full form. Okay, yes. If you want SR square root equal to SQRT, open the bracket 2. Okay, enter. You will not get answer now. Now, in order to get the square root of 2, you have to enter SR. You enter SR, you'll get the value. So here after in your this coding, no need to type SQRT. The SQRT become converted into SR. So I don't want the SQRT, sir. I want my name. Okay, that also you can put it. For example, I'm typing Ganesh. Okay. Ganesh equal to ABS minus 2. Hereafter, no need to type ABS. If you type Ganesh, you will get the outcome for ABS. Okay, so if you type Ganesh, you will get which one? 2. So please understand, variable is the converting our understandable function into our own name. Okay, whatever name before equal to you can give anything. After equal to is R area. You can't change anything. R is like even you can't give small letter, capital, whatever R understand you have to do. Anything equal before equal you can change anything. Okay, that is called which one? Variable. Variable is normally for our understanding purpose. But we don't want to SQRT something. If you want, you can use it. Okay, that is called which one? Variable. So far we understand R work like a calculator. R work based on the function. Function mean R understandable coding. And third we understand the variable. So whatever the function we can change our own language. Okay, that is called which one? Variables. Anything before equal to, that is called which one? Functions. Okay, after equal to, that is called which one? Before equal to is called variable. After equal to is called functions. Okay, yeah, I'll check with somebody 1 minute. Yeah, Rahul, tell me what is a difference between function and variable? Rahul, yeah, unmute your mic and tell me what is function, what is variable? Yeah, Magesh, you tell me. Magesh, Rahul, anyone, you please tell me. What is function and what is variable? Anybody? What is function and what is variable?
Sir, anything before equal to is variable and after equal to is called function.
That is one point. Main point is whatever we can change. Okay, that is called variable. We can change anything
Variable,
whatever we want.
yes.
Function mean we can't change. That is our understandable.
Our understandable language.
Can't change anything, wording center. Okay, that is called R. Please listen. See, I'm listening. Those not able to answer or at least type it. If you have any problem with mic or anything, it would be interactive. I'm going to this online class. I'm going to give more mark on class participation only. Simply switch on your mic and sitting there and not answering, not participating, you will get attendance, but you will not get mark. Please understand, you have to interact. More and more interact, you will give mark. I don't know whether you are listening or not. I don't know. In class, I can see. Okay. Everybody has to answer and you have to type it assignment class note. I will be closely monitor. Please participate as much as possible. Okay. End of the class, you have to share your screen. Okay. You're not doing anything or and all. I will not do. Okay. Those who are having laptop, they have to share your output. Or those who are doesn't have laptop, they have to at least write it and share the notes. Simply sitting, it will not work out. Okay. So now I will go some more process. For example, if you type 1 plus, so if you enter, you will not get the new command. Okay, what you have to do, you have to type escape button. If you type new command, this small that arrow is called a new command. Okay, suddenly for example, if you type something, ABS minus 4 without closing bracket, if you enter, it will ask for complete the codings. Okay, if we keep on entering, you will get only this. In order to come out of this function, what you have to do, please write down escape key. Okay, then these are some of the basics. Then what else? Then sometime in the function we'll use equal symbol, or there is another symbol called this symbol. This also similar to equal. Okay, this arrow, right? This arrow also similar to our understand is a equal symbol. Okay, for example. SR is equal to S you type will get the answer. Okay, square root of 2. So this is also similar to equal. This arrow symbol is there, right? This is also similar to R symbol only. Then some more basics. Okay, then if you, for example, if you want to know what are the commands you used previously, just up arrow and down arrow, up arrow or down arrow, up arrow, down arrow. If you press, please write down up arrow and down arrow. Whatever command you type, everything will come. You can edit and you can rerun. For example, this already written. I don't want to this one. I have to type 8. You can do it. I'm not writing the comment. Okay.
Sir,
Huh?
sir, actually, one doubt.
Yeah, please, please.
Sir, actually, in the previous thing, you have given SR is equal to square root of 2, where we take SR and the values there.
Yes, yes.
And then now you told SN that greater than symbol, and that is also same only, no, sir. Why are we using two different?
No, see, I'm just telling that in some places they will use equal and the arrow symbol almost same only. Some in coding will see the arrow symbol. Arrow symbol don't is equal to what it is equal only. That is the main thing. See, whatever the equal and arrow symbol are same. Okay, either you can use equal or arrow. Either one you can use it. Okay, better go with equal. Anyone you can use. Okay, so that's all about all the function. If you want whatever written function, if you want to come here, see, please understand why we are learning this R software coding. Please understand how new education policy has come. Even for school level itself, what they are doing is their coding become compulsory. All the people they are coding under the programming language they have to learn. Okay, so even though if you're coding or coding or that kind of skill is a basic for school level itself. As a manager, you should have some understanding about some programming language like R, Python, or some software. Okay, so that's even first and second class I told you, right? Future skill will be related to T-shaped skill. Okay, some skill you have to in depth you should have, and another one is some basics programming R software, digital marketing, A, something you should learn. Okay, so this will be the common basic skill for any kind of jobs. R, Python, Excel, and all these things. Anyway, we are learning this course. We have machine learning. We have to use it. That's why we are learning this course. If you want to know what are all the functions in the we have so far written ls. Please note down ls empty parenthesis. We type. We can see these are the functions we use. Ganesh we use for the sqrt. Yes, we used for the I think minus to something. Yes, these are the variables we have created. So in order to these are the variables. Okay. So these are the some of the things. So far we learned basics. What is R work like a calculator. Second one we learn what is function or understandable language. Third one we learn what is variable. Variable is our own understanding. And next thing we have learned what are the different symbol. How to use equal and arrow symbol and the ls bracket mean you'll get all the variables. So these are some of the basics. There are other things also. This is enough for as a management student. So now we are going for the data analysis, basics, how to import the data and how to do some data analysis. Okay. Now everybody go to your Google Classroom. Google Classroom. Just download the data set. Download the data set of both the data set you will download. USAD. Just click here and you go here. Open in the new window. Download the data set. Data set is download. Please everybody download the data set. I'll wait for 1 minute. Let everybody download the data set, then we'll proceed. Yeah. Now I don't want sir all these things. You want to remove all this, go to file or 1 minute. Go to edit, clear console. If you want to clean entire thing, okay, go to edit, clear console. You click here, it will be there. But all the functions will be there. For example, type ls, open the bracket. You'll get all the function. Everything will be there, but it's not visible. That's all. Okay, clear console. Everything clear console. Make it. We'll go with the fresh file. Okay. Shall I proceed? Anybody have problem? Anything? Let me know. Will stop me. Accordingly proceed. Those who doesn't have any notebook or a laptop, please write it in the notebook. The steps. Okay. Anyway, we are sharing the recorded video. Whenever you have time for with the laptop and everything, you can just practice with using this Meet.
Sir, due to like poor network, I got in Google Sheet, sir. Is that okay?
No, you have to download the data.
It's
It
not
should be,
happening.
it should be in the somewhere in the your hard disk or computer.
Like for like right now, it is like there is no network here. So
Okay.
later on, I can download it. Sir.
Yeah, data not, but you write down the steps. Without data, you can't do the
No, I have data in Google Sheet. Like from Google Sheet, it is like visible now.
No,
But
no. Please listen 1 minute. You have to import the data. Once you download it, only you can import the data. Google Sheet only can see the data. We're not going to do anything in the Google Sheet data analysis. If you download it, mean you can import the data in R only we are doing data analysis. Okay. Let's say you try, if possible work, mean no problem. It's not working, you write down in the process step you write. Okay. So now first step is you have to import the data. Okay. So go to file, change DAR. DAR means directory. Change directory. For me now the data is in the download folder. Somebody download somewhere else, means just put it somewhere. For example, assume that 1 meter, just put it in the desktop. Okay. UST data. Here I'm put it in the one folder. What is the folder? AI food sector. Paste.
Sir, not
1 minute. No, just I'm trying to put it in the one folder. Okay. Okay. Now 1 minute. Yeah. See here, now I kept it the data in the my PC D drive. I kept it. I kept it in a folder called data. Then inside the data, it is there. Okay. Now like this also you can create one folder anywhere you can put it. Now I'll come to the R software now. So data downloaded and kept it in folder. Now I have to show the where data is. Go to file, change DAR. Where it is my data? It is in the G drive. In the G drive, which folder? Data folder. That's all. I have to find out the last one, then okay. So my data, this will not be same for you. Maybe you can keep it somewhere else also. Okay. So put it on one folder and put it the data. So you have to locate this data.
Sir, when we have like 4 data sets in one folder only, it is
That
not.
also fine. That also fine. Data, you can't see the data. You have to just click the last folder. That's all. You can't click the data. You can click only the folder. The final folder you have to click. That's all. Okay. In the same folder you can click. You can keep multiple data. Also. That is not at all issues. You can keep 100 data, not issue. But you have to click just the final folder of the data. That data you should keep it in the this one. That data you have to keep it.
Okay, sir.
1 minute. Class. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah. You already imported the data now? You already imported the data?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now,
Yes, sir.
now you have to type it. Okay. So there is note down this one. Get WD. Get WD empty parenthesis. Empty parenthesis. You write down this one. Get WD. Get working directory. Enter. So my data is there in the D drive and D folder. Similarly, you also get the path. Check the path whether the path is right or wrong. So in order to check whether the data correctly loaded or not. Okay, only for me is only 2 places, but you might have loaded, you get bigger one. That's okay. But my data is there in the folder name called data. You also check whether they're correctly loaded or not. The data is loaded from this one. Please understand this R is a free software. You can use it for anything. Okay. Now, is it okay? Shall I proceed? Now, we'll do some data analysis. Okay. What is the file name? What is the file name? What is the file name?
USDA.csv.
.csv. All are in capital letter or small letter?
Capital letters.
Okay.
Capital, sir.
Capital. See here after I don't want to use the original file name is usd.csv. That's the file name. I don't want this file name. I want to give some other file name. What is the name you want to give? Did you remember anything equal to you can change anything. So shall I type US? Which data shall I put? What is the file name you want to give? Anyone? Original file name? Huh? Which one you want?
ML, sir, machine learning.
Which one? Okay, so I'll put it as it is USDA. Okay, USDA is the original file name equal to write down read or don't put capital letter anything, all sensitive. If you put don't put capital letter space or anything as it is, don't put any space. Dot CSV read. Open the bracket. What is the original file name? You have to put quotation or any text you have to put quotation USDA dot CSV. Yeah, that's all. Read.csv. Original file name is what? CSV, right? Comma separated values. Okay. So now I've kept the original name of this file. Even though if you look at the CSV file, name will be given USD only, but default the .csv will be the .doc, .excel, .ppt. That file name will be there. Hereafter, I don't want to use everywhere .csv, USD. Okay. I'm converting this name into only USD. I don't like USD. You can give your name also, or you can give ML or a artificial intelligence for food process. Anything you can give. Okay. Hereafter, the original name is what? File name is what? USDA.csv. That become now converted into USD. Hereafter, you can no need to type this full form. Why we have given in the quotation? Because text always you have to give in the quotation. Okay. I think shift near enter it is there. Okay. Now enter. See, if you are getting any error, mean you have to check the file name whether quotation is given properly. This quotation dot you given properly. You have to check it properly. Okay. So if you are getting without error, this line mean it is no error. Okay. So now we are going for the some more analysis. STR. Type it STR. STR means structure of the data. Open the bracket. USDA. Original USDA.
Sir, it is coming error, sir, for me.
No, that's why you have to check properly. Did you load the data properly?
Loaded, sir. Read after I do not put dot. How can I put, sir?
No. You come enter, and you put up arrow or down arrow.
Okay.
Up arrow you put that the previous command will come, then you edit it and come out and enter.
Okay.
It's coming now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If any errors are there, don't need to write it again the entire code. Just type up arrow, whatever command you type, that same command and change that command and enter. That's all. Now type str structure. That's all. Now data. So what are the data are there? Structure. So what is the total? How the data will look like? See, normally column will be the variable, row will be the observation. So how many rows are there? How many rows are this data set? How many rows? Look at my window, tell me. Anand, can you tell me how many rows are there in this data set? Anand? At least if you have any internet issue, type it in chat window. Still you are not participating, I will assume that you are not listening in the classroom. Okay, at least you type it in chat window. Not able to speak or anything.
16.
16.
Row, I'm asking row.
7058.
705. How many columns are there? Columns are variables. Okay. Yeah, very good. Anand. Okay. So this is the column. So this is the how many? So how many variables are there? First column is what? ID. Second one is description. Third one is calories. Fourth one is protein. These are the data. Okay. So wherever the integer is there, wherever the integers, numbers, and all same. Okay. So data. Okay. This is the character. C mean character. So these are the data we have. So everybody got this? Everybody got this output?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now we are going for next one. Okay, so please understand, you have to write down these are the very important. str is important, read.csv is important. Okay, then now we are going for next one, summary. Summary. So you should not type USD small letter. You have to, year after you have to type only capital letter. Okay, please understand. US, because why? We are given name as a all are capital. Okay, if you type, for example, I type USDA, I will not get A. Why? Because everything should be capital letter. Because that variable I given only the all are capital. Okay, if you want, you can change also. Yes. Okay, so I don't need to write again one more time command. Just type up arrow, then go to this one and you type. But don't enter here. If you enter here, you have to come out at the end. Enter. Okay. So summary mean, what is this? Summary mean descriptive statistics. See here, these are the descriptive statistics. ID, minimum value, maximum value, calories, minimum calories, median calorie, maximum calories. Okay. So all the descriptive statistics will get it. Okay. You type summary.usd. Okay. So next we will go. So far we will learn str summary. Okay, so I don't want everything, sir. I want only the particular variables. Okay, how to do it? Well, for example, I want only the total fat, only summary statistics of total fat. How to do it? Okay, type here total fat equal to, what is the data set? USDA, and type dollar symbol and type total fat. Please understand very carefully you have to type, because T is capital, F also capital. So now we'll get only related to which one? Total fat. Only related to total fat data. All the observation of only total fat. How many observations are there? 7,000 observations. Okay. If you want, you can see here. But this is not so important. This is a variable. Total fat equal to, you can change the anything equal to, you can put very only a small letter also, you can put anything, you can put it. From the USD only we are getting the total fat.
Sir, what is after USDA, sir?
Dollar symbol.
Okay.
Sir, what is the meaning of the dollar symbol, sir? Why?
Dollar symbol means taking the data from the USD is a full data containing a 60 variable. In order to slice the data from this one subpart, if you want to extract, you have to use the dollar symbol. Subpart. Dollar is for subpart. No need of all the data, only subpart of. So now we written lot of things. No, how to delete this one? How not delete? How to remove all this?
Consoles.
Edit clear console. Okay. But all the what? Press up arrow. See all the down arrow, up arrow, you all whatever function you got it, everything will be there. If you want the output, just enter the sum. Okay. Now fine. Now we are going for the next one. Okay. If you want to know which is the maximum sodium, which is the maximum sodium. What you want, you type USDA dot sodium, capital letter or small letter? S is, I think, capital letter. Sodium. Maximum sodium is it in the row of 265. Maximum sodium. Okay. You want to check minimum, which is the minimum USDA. So this is the minimum sodium. That also will get it 289. Okay. So like this, can you try for what are the variable? Other variable str USDA. USDA. STR we have changed into structure. STR only, right? Structure of the data. I think STR. Now I put it as a SRT. STR. Small errors here. Can you try? Which is the maximum value for? I will try to do it. This is the maximum value for this one. Now, like this, you can do minimum, maximum, all these things. Okay, but if you this will tell you only the which is the row. Okay, but it will not tell you the values. Okay, if you want to get the values, just to type it USDA under description. Okay, description. You use this normal dot flower bracket, normal bracket 265.
ಹಲೋ
Tables salt.
ಮಳಿ ಬರಾಕತ್ತೈತೆ ಏನ ಆಯ್ತು ರೀ ಇದು
Avinash, listen in the class here. Why you are speaking?
Sir, we have to use flower bracket.
Normal bracket, this one. Not flower bracket, normal. It is near P. Okay, near P it is there. Okay. Description for which one? 289. Fat beef contain this one. Sodium contain highest one, which one? Highest one is minimum is I think fat beef contain, highest is I'm in class. Okay, now these are the some of the this one. See here, this will give which row, which is the maximum. This will give only the row. To get the description, you have to use this one. Can you try for some other variable now? Can you try cholesterol? Which is the maximum cholesterol, which is the minimum cholesterol? Can you try now? No need to repeat again. No need to write again one more time. Just you type. Say which is the minimum. Here, sodium, you just change into cholesterol. You have to type without spelling any error. CSST. which is the description of 60. How to do it right now? USD description of how much? 60. Minimum cholesterol, I think, I don't know which you eat something is there. Which is the maximum cholesterol? Up here you press it. Maximum here. Just type maximum cholesterol is a number of which one? 3544. Which is that 3544? Again you go to description. Type 3534. Okay. Enter. Beef. I think something is there. Brain. These are some of the contain high cholesterol. Similarly, can you type for vitamin which is having the carbohydrate mode? Can you try now? Everybody switch on your camera? See, while entering into the class, don't use. Please switch on your camera, everybody. Check whether you are there or not. Those that doesn't have any problem with the camera, just type it in chat window. Type it in chat window. I'm in class, madam. Yeah, please type it in chat. Google are using laptop.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please parallelly do it. Avinash, why are you using mobile phone here? Yeah, I'm there.
Sorry.
Okay. Your laptop, Ashwin. Yeah, what is this? Avinash.
Laptop is sir.
Okay. You can switch on. Okay. Yeah, Magesh. Very good, Magesh. Vaishnavika, you already can show laptop. I don't know. You are using camera, no? Very difficult. Vijit, are you using laptop?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Avinash, your laptop, Avinash.
Is there, sir, laptop?
Okay, Ashwin. Sorry, Ashwin. Your laptop, Ashwin. Switch off your. Okay.
Laptops.
Okay, fine. See, please use parallelly. It's very important. You can put it in resume also. You know some basics of nowadays companies are looking for these basic skills. When you are not using, at least you have some idea how you are asking question from your managers, your subordinates. What about this one? Anand, are your laptop is there? Anand, Nishant?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Use parallelly. Okay. Yeah. Now please try some other variable. Potassium. Yeah. Some other variable you try it. Okay. I'll wait for 1 minute. Then we'll proceed to. Tejas, I'm not asking whether your laptop or not. Are you working or writing? If you doesn't have laptop, please write down the process. Coding.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in first, sir, total fat equal to US dollar. It is coming null, sir, for me.
Total fat
equal to USDA dollar symbol and total fat, that is coming for null, sir, for me. Before this.
Okay.
I will show you on camera, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, you send this. I'll check it. Any other issues? Anybody? Yeah, show me, Arnath.
Coming, sir.
Not coming. Your face only I can see. Okay, leave it. We'll discuss it later, Arnath. You focus on remaining. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, slowly go through the video and one more time you check it. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.
It's very difficult to see in small camera. Okay. See, other people try some more variable. Okay. Now we are going for somewhat advanced. How to create some plots. Okay, line chart. How to do it? Line chart in Excel. Before that, we'll see one more. See, if you want some particularly standard deviation for only one variable, that also you can do it. For example, are you able to see my this one? Yeah. See, if you want to see the mean, what is the mean? What average? Mean of USDA dollar symbol, calories, C capital, calories. Enter. Mean is not available. Maybe somewhere, what is this? Some missing values will be there. Okay, that's why it's not coming. You type protein. Proteins. With some missing values are there, it will not come. Okay, some Na something is there, it will not come. Okay. Let's see. ST means what? Standard deviation. USDA. Okay. If you want single values are missing, it will not come. That's a problem. So how to do it, I will tell you. Okay, leave it. Not applicable, I'll tell you. Now we're going for some how to write some plots. Okay, line chart, how to do it. For example, here plot. You see here, if you enter this one, you will get the plot. Function for plot is this one. Okay, you should not put capital letter, you should put small letter. Plot. So I've done for protein and total fat. UST. So here this is a x-axis is the first step. Whatever you done, it will be x-axis. Y-axis will be the total fat. Whatever the values are there, it will get. This is called how to get plot in the Excel. Same thing. Can you try for plot for sugar and cholesterol? How to rate sugar and cholesterol? Same plot will be same. You tried only cholesterol. The wording you tried on cholesterol. Please try. Same. No need to write again. Already. Just press up arrow here. Then here I want something else, different variable. The different variable. I'll go with the cholesterol. Okay. C capital. As it is, you have to type it. You're getting error, mean you have to check the wording. That's it. Cholesterol. Then here I type it which one? Sugar. S is capital letter. Sugar. Enter. See here. Now this is different diagram. Like this, you could try yourself some other way. This one. Some other variable. This is how we can get plot. This is called line and plot. Okay. To get idea about this one. So I don't want this color, I want some other color, something. If you want how to do it, I will tell you. Check this plot, same protein and total fat, but here I'm using which one? Some color. Name I'm giving as a X lab, the protein. Now it's what it is there. X UST dot sugar is there. Okay, protein slash main. Protein main and color will be red color. Whatever the color you are getting now, black color, right? I want it to equal to red color. Plot USP protein X lab. Total flat. Okay. Well, I use some other variable. Maybe we can use this one only, sugar. Huh? Sugar. This is this one. Cholesterol. Huh? From very careful when typing. Okay, cholesterol. As it is, your C is capital. Huh? Cholesterol spelling right now. Cholesterol. Check here. Unexpected error. C is red color. Sugar. Okay. Let it be. I don't want this one. Let's see. Only I will change color. I don't want heading. Cholesterol, sugar. Unexpected impact. USDA. USD spelling right? USDA. USD. Cholesterol. COLSTE. Yeah, Anish, tell me, any doubt is there? Sugar.
Sir,
Huh? Maybe color, no, C. You have to put CO. So small letter you have to put it. Got you. I have written the codings everything. Okay. It's a different coding. Let's see. I'll check it and let me know. We'll go to the next one. Now, how to get the histogram? Okay, histogram you know, right? Do you know for Excel we have done? Is you get capital small letter. Vitamin C, vitamin this one. Right. One minute. I'll just open the script. See, this is a function. Now got it. Some issues are there. Color you have to type properly. Fat. Now check it now. Check now. Red color fat. Okay. Just delete everything. 1 minute. Plot. But if you want, you can green something. Just use or I put capital. Green or something. Green will come. Okay. If you want something else, different color. Okay. Blue. You can have blue color. Okay. So whatever you want, you can do it. It's just check this. I think I done it in the PPT. That's why it is giving some error. Now I done it in the open script on it. Now try some more options. Histogram you try. How to try histogram? Check this. This is a histogram. You don't want this histogram. Maybe you can go with some other histogram. Vitamin C. Try histogram. Did you remember? Yeah.
Sir, I'm getting some warning messages if I type that.
Yeah, you slowly check it. You have to be very careful with that command. Check it whether P capital, comma, everything. You please check it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, small if error. For example, in the previous one, yes, standard error, we are getting an error, right? Sodium and all. You have to use this na.rm equal to true. Missing value also. For example, we have done some mean value, right? Something we have done 1 minute. Up here, I'm just pressing. Here, previously we got this one error, right? Mean equal to USP protein. Okay. So to avoid this error, what you have to do? Comma na.rm equal to capital true. If you type this one, even if you're missing value there, sir, it will exclude and remaining whatever available value you average. Okay. Without missing values, no issues. You can use this function. If you want to get some box plot, use this function. You already note down anywhere recording the video. You just one more time you go through this one. Okay, box plot video. Box plot that mean. Okay, so for today's class we have done the basics. So how they are work like a calculator, what is function, what is variable. Then we have imported the data. After importing the data, we have done a structure. What is the how they look at the Excel? We have used str function. Then we used summary to get the statistics. Then how we got mean, standard deviation using some function. Then we learn how to create some plot. Okay, then histogram, then box plot. Okay, in this one. The procedure will be same, only data will be different when you're using R in any companies. Okay, any kind of data will be different. Okay, the process all box plot that same equation will be there. Okay, so slowly go through. Maybe tomorrow's also will little bit some more time we'll spend on this one. Then we'll go to our machine learning. Okay, so
Sir,
yeah.
Sir, how to get this graph page side by side with the main page?
Yeah, yeah, you minimize here. You are getting like this, right? You have to see here, are able to see my cursor. Minimize. Yes, you can use this one. You can drag and drop. Okay, here after this minimization, you can increase the space. I'm putting like this. Not default, it will not be there. This you have to minimize. Okay.
Okay,
This
sir.
you can change here as well. Like this you can change for understanding purpose. But if you minimize, everything will be there. Box plot, if you want to put some color also, you can put it. Okay. Color equal to red. Something you type. Here, red is coming. Box plot color. Always in the text you have to put in quotation. You have to play around with it. This class will see how to do some more analysis, how to save it. Once you done the coding, no need to type again. Okay, so there is some processes there to save it in the script form. Okay, there is a script form in there. If you use this anywhere, if you use any data, same box plot, same mean, same everything will get it. Okay, only you have to change the variable name. Okay, no need to type again the coding. That is the advantage of R. Okay, once you type this coding, box plot and everything, only next time if you use some other data, only the data name will be something WHO or something. Remaining process almost will be same. That is the advantage. Compared to SPSS, you can learn lot of things. What is happening in this?
Sir, here in this statement we used na.rm, no sir?
No, here na.rm mean, for example, if your data set any missing values are there, you will get only na only. So in order to avoid the missing data also, if we ask the software to calculate average standard deviation, we have to use na.rm equal to true. That means even the missing values are there, please calculate the average. That is the command we are giving to the software.
Okay, sir.
Anyway, I'm just sharing the recorded video. You can use it for your practice purpose. Okay, data set with you, just slowly you learn it. Okay. Now everybody please go to your what is this Google Classroom. There is some quizzes there, you just attend that one. I'll parallelly take attendance now.